Thank you. Good morning. Today brings us to the neighbourhood of Sage Creek. And this is the walk I did around it. As always, not had any breakfast. Looks like a nice little shopping area around here. I'm sure I can find something. So join me as we walk around Sage Creek. Now, one of my colleagues lives in Sage Creek and they recommend the empty cup because it's got the best matcha. Well, I'm not really a matcha person, but I am a coffee shop person, so let's give it a shot.
It's fun, like I want to.
Cheers. Beautiful.
So here I'm the one to do it where I
Awesome. I'm buzzing now after that cortado. Well, my colleague also says that Churritos is a local bakery and they have a really good selection. So empty cup was good. I have no reason to believe that Churritos isn't, and it's just round the corner. Ecuadorian. And they have 10 bakeries in Ecuador, 2 in the US and 1 in Canada. And that's this one. This is the life. Blimey, that was good. 2 recommendations from my colleague that were absolutely fantastic. I think I might have to go and tell them. Coffee, black coffee, no sugar, however it comes. This would be $5
No.
in empty cup.
True. Yeah.
just $2 here, by
You get the special discount card. I told you, Carl, we really watch your video. Even our kids know you, right?
Blimey. Much appreciated, actually. So there we go. Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Mark, for putting up with me. Oh, there she goes. Tornado. Yeah, thanks a lot for the coffee. Great hanging out. And we'll see you, unfortunately, at the office on Monday. All right, cheers. Well, wasn't that very nice? We were able to solve all of the problems in the office over a relaxing cup of coffee on a random Saturday. Okay, so their final recommendation for Sage Creek, where hopefully there is alcohol and a patio, is the Block and Blade. So I'm going to make my way there right now, see what they've got. I think I'm going to put one of those signs up in my back garden. It's not weeds, it's native prairie grass. And I've got to leave it there for the biomes. That'd be a good excuse to not have to mow the lawn anymore. A couple of videos ago, I'd actually finished every single Leopold's Tavern in the city. Well, look what's coming to Sage Creek. Yeah, gonna have to come back here for that one. But that's not where we're going today. Let's go to the Block and Blade. Once again, this beats work. Cheers. Oh, that will do. Not bad at all, that. And just perfect timing to catch my buses home. Thank you. We made it. A little bit of a facilities break at Grant Park there, but got back in the end. Well, Sage Creek, very posh and hip to the jive down there. Thanks again, much thanks again to Joy and Mark for letting me into their house, giving me that New Flyer discount coffee. And thank you Sage Creek in general for your hospitality.